Hey everybody, it's Neil, and look at what I have here. I have a push broom by Clean Home, and it's orange and gray. We're gonna check out this thing. I got in trouble for using my inside broom on the outside this weekend, so I got a broom. So let's check this out. All the pieces and parts, okay. I guess what these poles were in plastic, but plastic stayed in the box. So let's see how we do this here. So this is the broom. So it's a nice hard bristle broom. So if you've swept garages or places, you know, this is what they're for. So let's see what all these pieces are, how they'll go together. What do you think? I guess they just kind of go. I guess this one's gonna go into the base. So we'll put that one in first. Okay. Okay, what should we do next? This one here. Then this one. And finally, the top. Not sure if this is the correct configuration, but maybe I'd put this one up here. But for now, let's just give the thing a go. It's got a nice push to it. So this is what it looks like here. I'm going to show you it up close. So you can see it's got good bristles. They're kind of frayed at the end, so you'll actually be able to pick stuff up, where if they were just, you know, straight ones, stuff would go through. So this is really going to be good. So it's good, nice sweeper. I'd say it's about, I don't know, 16 inches or so there. And then the length is normal length. It's kind of cool the way it comes in a little box, but it, you know, screws together to become big. So very nice little broom. So I like it. This is by Clean Home Push Broom, and it's orange and gray. I guess those are the colors of it, even though I can't see the colors. But there we go. Thumbs up. I like it.